What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Car Revive. Okay, just leave it there. It's fine. It's not a video of this all it's saying. Maybe that reader. That reader. Car out of the box. Oh, no. Little car. Little late. Like that. I don't know what I'm working on that. There's a all the paper. So where we are so far, the front is prime, basically the whole bumper, all the important exterior components to the car. From the looks of it, we have to do a few touch-ups, which isn't a big deal. Most of it's covered. It's moving along. So basically right now what I'm doing is I'm working on this this wing here to the Mitsubishi Eclipse. What I'm doing is I'm going around touching up like these deeper spots. I pretty much got them all out, so you really can't even tell where they are. But as you can see, this thing right here is like misshaped. Yeah, I went all hell on this thing at my job with the wheel grinder and the air hose. Like here it is. Here it looks like chips are out of the part or whatever. This is even a better example. So yeah, I'm gonna smooth all that out so it has the perfect aerodynamics with the wing, so the car can float, you know what I'm saying, so right through the wind. But yeah, everything is moving along great here. I'm pretty satisfied with how the work is turning out. I mean, how close can you get the OEM-ness out of, you know, everything? So basically I'm going for OEM everything. I do have a few mods coming along. Stay tuned. Like I said, if you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button, leave a comment down below. I'm thinking about painting this part a different color from the car. I'm thinking about either like a soft purple maybe, I don't know, or I don't know, just stay tuned for that. The color of this thing is going to be a color of a lot of other things, like the door handles, and just a few little other things. I'm not sure what yet, but yeah, it's gonna happen. Stay tuned. Like I said, if you guys like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button down below. Don't be afraid, leave a comment. Share your thoughts. Like I said, if you guys have any nice suggestions on what you guys think will look good with the white line, because I do want to do like another color. I was gonna do like a shiny mirror black, like the same color as the side mirrors, but like I said, that may change. I kind of want this build to pop, so that way when people see it, they be like, okay, who painted your car, blah blah blah. I'm like, oh, I did it. They're like, oh, you paint cars? I'm like, oh yeah, I paint cars, kind of, but not really. I really just repair them. But yeah, like I said, if you guys like what you see, hit that subscribe button, stay tuned. You don't want to miss anything. I am taking open suggestions on color, like I said about the wing, because I'm not really sure what's gonna look good with that line, white. Like I said, I'm open to suggestions. Appreciate it, guys. Alrighty guys, check that out. Look at that. Just threw a few layers of primer over the wing. Look where that got us. It's almost just about silky smooth, I would say. Just a few fills on it. Other than that, it's ready to be painted a color actually at this point. Just hitting it with a few more layers of primer. But as you can see, things are coming together just right for the Mitsubishi Eclipse and the wing. I didn't manage to miss any parts down here along the borders and stuff. I'll hit like these small spots when I flip it over. But yeah, the wing is pretty much covered at this point. I would say it's probably dry to the touch, but I'm gonna just let it bake a little bit more in the sun. Yeah, so I'm gonna throw a final coat over the whole wing, but my focus point will most likely be the center points, and then I'll flip it over and then just finish it off. So that's basically, you know, it for the wing for today. So like I said, if you guys like what you see, leave a comment down below. It just hit me. I was thinking about painting the wing gold all of a sudden. So if you guys think gold would be a nice color for the black line and white, let me know. That gold, pretty much jumping on that. I don't know. We'll have to find out and see what happens. But yeah, I may do everything gold instead of that purple I was talking about. But yeah, like I said, if you guys like what you see, hit that thumbs up. Things are moving in the right direction. Can't go anywhere but up from here. Like I said, we're doing things from the positive side. We're making things happen, you know what I'm saying? Even if we have to get a little bit, you know, dirty, whatever. But yeah, like I said, things are moving in the right direction. just let me know you guys' thoughts and ideas on building a Mitsubishi Eclipse, or if you even knew anybody who owned one. It's just a GS. But yeah, like I said, I like to talk about them. I like to look at the car. So if you guys like what you see, leave a comment down below. And again, make sure your post notifications are on. Hit that subscribe button down at the bottom. You don't want to miss anything. Things are pretty much coming together for the Mitsubishi Eclipse. So if you guys like what you see, keep following it. I appreciate it. Thanks. As you guys can see, I got the lights in finally. Gotta touch up a few more things on the Mitsubishi Eclipse, but overall it's coming together just nice. I got the lights in nice and subtle. The LEDs, they look pretty all right. All right guys, that's pretty much a wrap for today's video. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Feel free to leave any what you did to one. Big things are coming to the build, so just stay tuned. Peace, you guys.